Hey everybody, morning. So today I'm going to introduce that I am going to try to do Christmas in July. I do have some leftover projects that I tried to do at Christmas time and got so busy. So I didn't post some of my first video for Christmas in July. I don't think I'm going to be posting every day, but I'm going to try to post at least 3 times a week in July. Some Christmas DIY, some Christmas gift ideas, just numerous themes around Christmas for in the month of July. So probably every 3 days or 3 times a week, I will be posting hopefully some type of video for Christmas in July. So my first video that I'm doing is a project that I did for a decor DIY, and I didn't get it posted in December, so I'm going to post it now. And here it is. Hope you like it. Take care, everybody, and enjoy crafting. Bye. Hey everybody, it's Giselle, and welcome back to my channel. I have another Christmas craft type decor that I had made, and I had it out, and I thought, let me just try and do a little video on it. I have it. I had it made. I made it probably over a month ago, and I just put it up saying I'm going to use it for when I decorate it, and I've started to decorate it. And I said, let me show you what I've done. Very easy. So this is going to be a very quick video. So I hope you like it. Just leave me a comment below and tell me what you think. Again, very simple. This year, well, for the past couple of years, we haven't used a lot of traditional colors in our decor and on our tree. It's like the gold, little bit of silver, whites, etc. So this can be done in a numerous colors just to suit your decor. I just chose white because I thought it would go better with my decor. Again, this is probably going to go in my hallway, my entryway into my condominium, where a lot of my decorations are going to go. So let's just get started. And again, it's very quick, so it won't take long. So what I did was, and I saw this on YouTube. Again, I started watching some Christmas decor videos from probably July. There's a lot of YouTubers who also do Christmas in July, so it gets my mind in that mode. So I've been watching a lot. So this is definitely I got from YouTube. I can't remember who I got it from, and I do apologize for that. It's just that I've watched so much and it's been a while. So when the Christmas decorations came out, I said that's when I remembered the video. And this, Christmas decorations probably come out near Halloween in October. So I got one. Let me just move this out of the way. So what you'll need is just, and again, it's late, so I don't know if there's any more of these out there in the Dollar Tree, but you would need a this wooden ornament or decor. It's just, no, it's a sign. It just says DIY sign, and it's by from the Dollar Tree. So it's $1.25 here in Canada, and it just says "Let It Snow." So I picked up one of these, and you'll need 2 of these balloon or weight holders. These are what we usually use. You would usually use like at a party, or to hold down balloons. Again, from the dollar store. You probably could get this at Dollarama as well. I know you can because we used to buy ours from there. So it holds down balloons. So what you would do is take this apart, and if you can see here, once all the frills are gone, there is this wire, like almost like a wire hanger type thing. And the base is, I can unravel it because I'm not, I'm gonna make another sign. Okay, so the base of this is like a rock or cement. And so you just take the decorations off so that you have, I mean, you could use it if you wanted to, you could use it somewhere else. But I took mine all off. And I also painted the sign, get my paint, with this chalk paint. So it's Rust-Oleum Linen White chalk paint. And it's a matte chalk paint. So I used that to paint the sign. I'll get mine back. As well as you can see, I painted the base of each one of those weight holders. I don't want to call it weight holders. It's they're weights to hold down things like balloons. Um, so what I did was, okay, so I got the sign and got the these that holds balloons down, and I just painted them in that chalk paint. I also, once they were painted, I glued them on to the back of the weight holders. Sorry, not, I glued them on the back of the sign. The weight holders on the back of the sign. So I'm going to show you the back. It's not pretty, but nobody's going to see it. Anyway, so you can, what I'm trying to say here is you can move the sign or put the sign where you need it to go. So if you want it higher, you can do it higher up on, like you can have it a little higher in terms of how high you want it up. And that will determine where you're going to glue this sign to. I just kept it like this, and I glued it again on the back. Glued the holders on the back here. And I used hot glue for this. A lot of hot glue. But for the the snowflakes, these snowflakes are actually, and I've used them in other projects, and I've actually hauled them from the Dollar Tree. They are ornaments. They are white, and they also come in silver. So I use hot glue for this and a stronger glue, just so that it wouldn't fall off, because I was finding that it might fall off. And for, I don't know if you can see, around the tops of I don't know if you can see, but around the tops of the lettering, I don't know if the angle is good enough. On the top, I'm going to switch it around. 1 second. There we go. So on the top of the letters, I put, the lighting is not that great, but I put that glittery snow that you get in a pack. It's very light and glittery. I use it on my stocking holders on the houses that I painted. So I just but I put some on just to look like it could be like some little bit of snowflakes or ice on there. I definitely put some all over the snowflake, although you can see it better there. There we go. You can I put it all over the snowflakes and on top of the letters. Those are the snowflakes that I attached. And then I am going to, again, just put this on a shelf and use it in my decor. And again, you can use these signs or wood ornaments. I've used them in a couple of projects that you've seen, and they are fantastic. And you don't have to use this sign Let It Snow. You could use the Christmas tree, or you can use, there was another that was a snowflakes. There was a few different style of these wooden signs or ornaments that were there. There's still a few that I've seen at the Dollar Tree, and so you can still make something similar. And I guess it depends on the Dollar Tree that you're going to. You might be able to find this if you're interested. But leave me a comment below. If it's not for this year, maybe next year. Put something in mind of how you can decorate it. And again, you can use the colors how you want to use it for your decor. You can, again, make it yours. So that is everybody. That is it, everybody. And thank you for watching. And you take care. Bye.